Having issues with delayed console chats on Roblox? Here's how you can fix the glitch and send your chats instantly. Make sure to hit that like and sub if this video helps. Step 1. Check Roblox server status. First, check if Roblox servers are experiencing issues. Sometimes server lag can cause delayed console chats. You can check the Roblox status page for any ongoing problems. Step 2. Clear Roblox cache. Clearing the cache on Roblox can help fix chat glitches. Go to your browser or Roblox app settings and clear the cache. This removes old data that could be interfering with chat. If this is helping so far, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Step 3. Update Roblox. Make sure your Roblox app or client is up to date. An outdated version can cause various issues, including delayed chat responses. Go to your platform's app store and update Roblox to the latest version. Step 4. Reset network connection. Sometimes lag can be caused by your network connection. Try restarting your router or switching to a wired connection for more stable internet speeds, which will help reduce chat delays. Step 5. Use a different browser for browser users. If you're playing on a browser, try using a different one to see if the problem persists. Chrome or Microsoft Edge often work best for Roblox. Step 6. Disable extensions. Certain browser extensions can interfere with Roblox's chat function. Try disabling extensions or running the game in incognito mode to see if that fixes the issue. That's how you can fix the console chat glitch and start sending chats instantly on Roblox. Clear the cache, check for updates, and reset your network connection. Don't forget to hit subscribe for more tips and comment for any other how-to you might need.